You count one. Mika don't know how to count.
1, 2,
3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good.
2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6,
7,
7,
8. How about 8? Next stop na. 8. No, 8.
5. Stop na.
Yeah, stop. Also make a stop. How about, oh, what next to 8? 8.
Stop, stop, stop.
Oh, Dora, stop. Okay. You count first, so Dora will go. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7. 7. Come on. What's that? What happened to your hair?
Mommy here.
Oh, your hair. What happened to your hair? Huh? Nothing.
8.
Yeah?
7. 6. No. Nothing.
Mika, not fall down. Okay, you count na, Mika. 1. You count to Dora. Listen to Dora. Come on.
No.
No? Why? Dora and Boots know how to count. Why? How about Mika?
No.
No, don't know? Boots the monkey know how to count. 1. They need how many coins to buy an ice cream? Help Boots to buy an ice cream. Come on, you count the coins. How many coins they need? Bless you. Oh. How many coins?